How to be healthy, part 8. Are you the one who thinks fruit juices are healthy for you? Well, that's a point where you are showing your ignorance. Here is the top 3 reasons why fruit juices are unhealthy for you. Number 1. Fruit juices are just a sugar syrup. Because most of the vitamins and minerals are present in pulp and skin of a fruit. But this pulp and skin are removed while juicing. Number 2. Fruit juices make you feel hungry. As the fibers are removed while juicing, the sugar present in the juice are get absorbed by the body quickly and spike up the blood glucose level. Due to this spike, insulin released into blood and helps in the conversion of glucose into glycogen and fat, which results in sudden dip in blood sugar level, which make you to feel hungry more. Number 3. It can lead to fatty liver. When you buy a fruit juice, most of the sugar present in the form of fructose, and 70% of fructose are metabolized by the liver, which puts a lot of load and it converts as fat and store in it. If this process continue for the long term, the liver develop a condition called fatty liver. Eating fruit is way more healthier than fruit juices. Well, if you feel this video interesting and informative, like, share and follow for more. Stay healthy, stay fit.